Hi, I'm Lisa Sadleir, and I'm here today to talk to you about using food for raising globally minded children. Okay, so what is a globally minded child? We hear things global citizens, global minded when we're talking about children in today's world. My personal interpretation of this is a globally minded child is a child that's open to new ideas, open for trying new things, doesn't see things in stereotypical ways. They're not afraid to try new things. They welcome and embrace new cultures and new ideas, whether it's from a different part of your own country, a country you've never been to, or a country where a friend comes from. We're lucky that I'm actually British born, educated in France, and I've been living in Spain now for over 25 years. My children were born and raised here, so they have the comparison already of two different traditions and cultures, and we embrace all of them. My daughter's best friend, her mum is from Panama. One of my son's best friends from Morocco and also from Uruguay. So we can really enjoy a beautifully integrated mixed culture living, which for my children is absolutely fantastic, and I do believe it's helped them to become globally minded, global citizens, or just very well balanced, open-minded children that, as I say, are willing to try things, open to ideas, and don't judge people in a stereotypical way. How can we use food to make our children like this? Let's have a look. Okay, so how can we use food to educate our children to open their mind? Looking at what you have for breakfast in different countries. Chutney, sambar, dosa in India. Would your children be happy to try something like that for breakfast? I know my children would be, oh, mum, spice for breakfast? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if they don't like it. Just get them to try something different. A really, really good fun idea is to pick one country each month and say either Saturday or Sunday morning, whenever you have the most time, when you're not in a hurry and you're relaxed and you can sit and enjoy breakfast with your children, try something new. Research the food. Why do they eat those things? Where can you buy it from? Can you buy it in the country that you live? As I say, the children aren't going to like everything, but it's all about opening their minds, encouraging them to try something new, learning about other cultures, and through food it's fantastic. I grew up in northern England, where I think when I was young, all we really had for breakfast was toast, cereals, and sometimes the classic English fry-up. But now we will have anything for breakfast: scrambled eggs, avocados, ham and cheese, fresh fruit, pate. It doesn't matter. There's no stigma now attached to food, when you eat it, how you eat it, and where you eat it. Doing this once a month with your children, pick a country, pick a breakfast, and let me know how you get on.